What up, Tube? I just wanted to make this video for car owners of the Subaru Legacy 2016 3.6. So if you're in the market for getting rotors front and back, this video is basically for you. So I had problems getting front rotors for this car. Number one, I tried purchasing some EBC rotors. They were coming from England, and they were coming freight, so that would have been like 6 to 8 weeks. So I canceled the order. Then I went with Hawk Talon. Hawk Talon is a US based manufacturer. Long story short, they didn't actually make the front rotors for this car. When I ordered them, the rotors came for the 4-cylinder 2.56 version of this car. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder car for the Subaru Legacy. So it didn't fit. I found out the hard way. So I ended up getting some SP Performance rotors. That's SP Performance. I'll put the link in the description. So they are drilled and slotted, but the best rotors for this car are slotted. But I had no choice because there was nothing else available, and I did not want to go with that BS Subaru OEM undrilled and unslotted rotors, which was problems for years 2 through 6. I had this car coming up on 7 years. Since the 2nd year to the 6th year, this car has had problems braking, and I told Subaru, East Hill Subaru in Roslyn, Long Island. I've been telling them that for the past 4 years, and all they did was just pacify me and put some bullshit brake fluid inside the container, which worked for like maybe 1 hour, and then it went right back to braking badly. I avoided many front end accidents because of this car not braking properly. So as you can see, I went with EBC yellow stuff brake pads, and the SP rotors, SP Performance rotors, which makes the car stop very well, and I mean extremely well. Yes, it's a big difference, night and day. So those are the fronts. So the rears, I went with the Hawk Talon rotors. Because I mentioned earlier they don't make the front rotors for this 6-cylinder car. So I went with the Hawk Talon, as well as with the EBC yellow stuff brake pads. So that makes this car stopping power ridiculously increased. I mean, it's it's night and day. So I'll put the link in the description for the people who have this car and are going through the process of buying rotors front and back and brake pads. So I did a lot of research on this. Took about a month before I actually made the purchase with the rotors and the brake pads. I already did a vlog on the tires, so you already know about that. All right. I hope this helps. Later.